In a world driven by innovation, there's one skill that stands out among the rest: technology. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of why young people should embrace technology, whether it's coding, app development, or robotics. Technology is the heartbeat of the modern world. Learning technology opens doors to endless opportunities. It's not just about using gadgets. It's about shaping the future, from connecting communities to solving global challenges. Technology empowers the next generation to make a difference. But it's not just about the future. Technology enhances creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills right now. Learning technology isn't just a skill. It's a superpower that unlocks boundless creativity and innovation. So, to all the young minds out there, embrace technology, because the world needs your ideas, your innovations, and your brilliance. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech-tastic content. Until next time, keep coding.